Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can leave a server on Discord, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to leave a server on Discord, it's actually so easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server that you want to leave. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to click the server name at the top. And after clicking it, there it is guys, you will now be able to see the leave server option right here, so just go and click it. And then Discord will ask you for confirmation if you really want to leave the server. Just click the leave server button to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully left the Discord server. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.